Some 24 people have died, 10 were missing and thousands were evacuated in South Korea as of Saturday, Yonhap news agency said, citing various regional governments, as a third day of torrential rains caused landslides and the overflow of a dam. As of 11 a.m., 2 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, 1,567 people had been evacuated nationwide, according to the Ministry of Interior and Safety, as water overtopped the dam in North Chungcheong province on Saturday morning. Local government's evacuation orders covered more than 7,000 people at various times, according to provincial authorities. The tally is expected to rise as more heavy rain is expected on the Korean peninsula on Sunday, the Korea Meteorological Administration forecasted. Korea Railroad Corp said it was halting all slow trains and some bullet trains, while other bullet trains might be delayed due to slower operation, as landslides, track flooding and falling rocks threatened safety. South Korean emergency workers search for survivors after a landslide hit a small village in Yecheon on July 15. AFP: a slow train derailed late on Friday when a landslide threw earth and sand over tracks in North Chungcheong province, the Transport Ministry said.